What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, T-Liska 10 Adventures. We're here with the update with the Nexgrill Deluxe Dual Energy Grill that I got from Home Depot for Father's Day about 4 years ago. This thing is still going strong, and so just go over what I've done to it maintenance-wise and how its overall durability is. Hi, Yeti. So let's get into it. So it's been outdoors. It is outdoor barbecue. I have had it under shade. I've had it not under shade. It's been in rain. It's had already 2 different covers. This one's already messed up. Now it's under my patio. I always had a mat. You can see my old dog started biting that. It is propane. I did switch it to natural gas, and with the help of one of my buddies, we changed the little line filters in it, actually drilled out the stock pilot holes, and bought a natural gas fitting, and now I'm running natural gas, and I'll show you how that all works. But just the overall appearance, I do use stainless steel cleaner on it, and I have used Dawn degreaser. As you can see from the wheels, they're still movable. There is some rust on, looks like the aluminum part of it, most likely right there, as well as there. It still rolls fine. Let me show you underneath with the doors and the gates open. They still function fine. Always have an extra propane tank. There's some rust buildup too, and lifting right there, but it still holds fine, and the wheels aren't rusted out, and the rest of the unit is fine. Let's get on to the grates. I have cleaned these multiple times. I do keep foil underneath the tray for grease trap, and I use a stone block to try to clean the grates. There is going to be grease here. I mean, you're pretty much never going to get rid of it all unless you do a crazy degreaser and try your best to take it off. But the grates do work good. Now that I'm running natural gas, the power on this thing is like night and day difference compared to propane, and it works amazing. Even the little covers for the flame, how it splits them apart, they're doing totally fine. I've cleaned them before and they're not broken or nothing like that. I've cleaned them, taken off the basically your grill grates, and then scrape them, and yeah, they're still rolling good. Again, degreaser and stainless steel wipes has worked wonders on this. Temperature gauge still works perfectly fine. My side burner also did change out to run on natural gas. We don't really use this. Still pretty good, and you can see this part did get bent. Just removing this sucker all the time around the house. All that. Let's go to the side here. Little cracking kind of right here. A little wobbly, but probably just needs to be tightened down maybe. I'm not sure. Alright, back side of the grill. Totally fine. Again, there is some rust right there on the bottom, but besides that, works fine. Grease tray right here as well. And again, I keep foil on here, and I'll just switch that out every so often once it gets crazy. So natural gas line. So basically, I took out the old fittings that was running propane, bought a line kit, and then obviously my gas meter is over there. My buddy works for the gas company, actually helped me. This is a quick connect fitting, so literally put on, and it has a valve here to turn and off the gas, and then there's also a secondary valve over there at the gas that I turn off as well, just for extra precaution. And yeah, now it is working on natural gas. I do have a flat burner that I've been using too, flat stovetop, quite frequently, but this thing has been a beast of a barbecue for the price that my wife got it for me at the time, and my kids for Father's Day. Again, 4 years ago. I don't know, I think she paid close to $300, if that. This thing is still working fine. No issues at all. It's just been nothing but amazing and good, and definitely a good purchase. If I was you, I would switch to the natural gas line, because the power alone has been great, and I've had no issues at all with it. I actually get better flame now on the barbecue. Burgers, dogs, steaks, all that stuff, chicken, everything else you can think of. But it works good. I'll post up a link of the original video in the description, kind of see the difference in how they look. But yeah, Nexgrill Deluxe Dual. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but we got this at Home Depot for Father's Day. And yeah, it's been working good. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Bye.